students, as I have discussed with you last time about the table, that how you can create the table in HTML, that I already discussed with you in the last lecture. But today we will do the row span, call span in table. Okay, we will do the row span and call span in table. Now first of all I want to tell you that what is the meaning of row span. It is used to merge the rows and make it a single cell. Same way, if I talk about the call span, then the definition is same, but there is only change, that is it is used to merge the columns, not the rows. Okay, and make it a single cell. We know that when we create the tables, if it is a simple form, that is a tabular form, rows and columns, then we are not using this row span and call span concept. But sometime in your question also the table is like that, where we have to use this concept. I just give you the example here. Let me create this simple table so that I can make you clear. Say this one I have written here, say just to clear you, student list, or just I have written the name of your school, Delhi Public School Khanna. Say you see now what I do, if I make it a single cell, say I am going to merge this, just wait a minute, merge cells. So you see now it's a single cell, okay, but earlier it was the column. So if you see which span I used here, can anybody tell me?
Row span.
Call span. Call span. It is not a row span, because if you see this carefully, earlier it was a column. If you see that, देखो इसको समझने का एक ही तरीका है राजे. अगर आपको सीखना है कि where I can apply the call span and row span, then you have to understand this. Beta, you see that if you see column, this was a column. मतलब अगर आप देखो कि earlier column थे, मतलब if you see this, I just repeated this. अगर आप देखो तो अगर ये लाइन ऊपर होती, that means it was a column earlier. तो ये चीज आपको समझनी पड़ेगी. देखने में आपको बेशक ये लग रहा होगा it's a row span, but exactly it is a call span, because earlier this line was up, this line was up, because there was a separate partition for this. So that's why it is a call span. So for this you can make the direction, means you can make it center, that's your wish. Now you see, if I writing here, let's say for your say details, I have written here, then I just do this, then I right click, just I merge this cell, that's all. Now you see this is also the merging of cell, but now it is which span? Can anybody tell me?
Row span.
Yes, it is a row span. Okay, it is a row span. So one thing I want to tell you, wait a minute. So you see it's a details. I have written name, say class, just to clear you, or we can say house. Say I have written Parminder, say Falcons, same Hey Harman, say Tuskers, say Anuj, that is Stallions. One more row I am going to add here inside row below. So in that way again we have to merge this, because again we are doing this. So now the last one is Kamal, so that is a Panthers. So now you see sometime a table is given to you like that. So you have to recognize that कि this table I have to create an HTML, but how? Okay, तो you have to see that कि इसमें call span और row span तो लगेगी. Then how? So let me start this. I want to clear you this as a practical so that you can understand. So I have opened the notepad here. Then first is same one, HTML. Then is a head. Then is a title. Say web is the title. Then I have closed the title tag here. Then I close the head here. Then is a body tag. Then for the table, I just use table border is equal to 1. So I just apply the border. Now you see, I told you last time also, whenever you create the table, it always start with the tr. The tr tag you must begin for the each row. It is mandatory. Now just see the design. So this is the tr, but you see that here is a Delhi Public School Khanna, but it is how many column it spans? 1, 2, 3. And please make it sure, because row span and call span कभी भी tr tag में नहीं लगती. Please keep it in mind. Whenever you use the row span or call span, it never comes under the tr tag. It can come in the td tag or it can come in the th tag. So for this, it is not bold. I am taking in the td only. So I have to use here call span is equal to how many columns we have to span? That is 3. So I have written here 3. Yes. Call span. Then what is the text? Delhi Public School Khanna. Now you see, I have to close the td tag. Now you see my row is also finished. So I just close the tr tag. So now you see this.
So इसको th में नहीं लेंगे.
That if because it is not bold, that's why I have taken in the td. अगर ये bold होता तो th में लेता मैं. ठीक है?
Okay,
so you see it is a tr. Now you see the next one. If you see this, but a call span is easy as compared to the row span. Row span is also easy, but you have to think about one thing. Means one thing you have to keep it in mind, then it will be solved. So let me tell you, for the row you have to start the tr. There is no doubt, because every time we have to start the tr. Now you see how many rows are spanning here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are getting spanned here. For that, what I need to write here, td row span is equal to 5 was there. I have counted. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So row span is equal to 5. Then what is the text? Details. Then you have to close this td. देखो रो स्पैन में आपको ये याद रखना है कि इन दिस फर्स्ट रो आपने जो फर्स्ट वाला टेक्स्ट है, मतलब दिस इज स्पैनिंग, दैट्स फाइन, बट उसके बाद ये नेम एंड हाउस जो आपका है, इट शुड बी इन द सेम रो. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स अगर आपने यहाँ पे tr को क्लोज नहीं करना, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, वट एवर द डिटेल स्पैन दैट्स फाइन, बट आफ्टर दैट जो फर्स्ट रो है इसके साथ जो फर्स्ट है, that should be in the same row, means in the same tr. So it will be like that, td, that is name, then we have to close this td. Then what is the next? That is a house. So then is a house, sorry, td again start, then is a house, then is the td close. Now here my first, this row is finished. So for this I have to close this tr here. आप next में लिख लो, again that is your wish to give you the clarity. I have written like this. So now it is tr. okay, बस tr में आपको यही चीज समझनी है कि जब आपने फर्स्ट टाइम अप्लाई कर दिया रो स्पैनिंग करने के बाद, whatever the text is in the row span, that's fine, but after that whatever the first row, that should be in the same TR, तो मैंने यहाँ पे देखो इसके बाद TR क्लोज नहीं किया, so it should be in the same, so that's why it will come as I shown you, otherwise it will not come like that. So now I have spanned the rows. Now what is the second row? That is this one, Parminder Falcons. So I have choose this. So for that I have to again start the TR. Rest is the same as you do normally. Then is a TD. What is the text there? Parminder. Then is close the TD. Then what is the next text? Control V. What is the house for this? Falcons. So here you have to write the Falcons. So now it is finished, so I have to close the TR here. Then again I have to copy this, then paste it. Here I will change the text, that is Herman Tuskers. Herman, then is a Tuskers. So now it is also created. What is the next row? The text is Anuj Stallions. So I just change here Anuj Stallions. Okay, and what is the next last one? I just copy this. What is the last one? That is Kamal Panthers. Kamal, then is a Panthers. Okay, now it is created. So I have to close the table tag here. Then we have the body tag here. Then we have the HTML. Okay, so now it is created. I'm going to save this file. I'll save in that folder, which is that class 10 web pages. So I have table span. This I have given .html. Then I'm going to save this. So now I'm going to run this class 10 web pages. This is the desktop for this. Then you have to click here. This is my file. So now you see it is accordingly or not? Yes or no? हाँ जी,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For one thing I want to clear you here, बेटे आप इसको spacing भी दे सकते हो. That is your choice. Cell spacing and cell padding. Okay. Spacing and padding होता है. Cell spacing, space between the cell. Cell padding means from the boundary and the starting of the text में जो gap है, that is called cell padding. So I'm giving here cell spacing. It's your wish that you want to give or not, but it is the attribute of table tag only. So I'm giving 10 here. Then cell. First one by one करते हैं, that the difference will be clear to you. I just save this. So you see, this is the cell spacing. देखो space आ गई cell में, ठीक है. To make you more clear, I want to give another attribute. So say I'm giving here cell padding. But before implement this, I want to tell you padding होता क्या है. देखो राजे, ये जो text boundary है, this is the wall of the cell and the text. इसके बीच में जो gap होगा, that is called cell padding. Now it is by default, but you can increase also. So now first you see the output. Now see in the implementation. I have done this. Now just refresh that. So now you see the difference is increasing. So this is called cell padding. Okay. So in that way you can give the
text left right होगा कि ऊपर नीचे होगा.
बेटा this is according to the cell. वो अपने आप ही center में ले लेना उसमें. When you applied that, it comes accordingly. You will not need to tell the center for this. जब आप padding और वो use करोगे, it will take automatically. ठीक है. अगर आप इसको देना चाहते हो, उसके लिए आप कर सकते हो line. जैसे Delhi Public School is not coming in the center. So for that you can give a line. Align is equal to center. Then it will come in the center. Okay? So in that. So I hope this spanning concept is clear to you, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Bete,
sir.
first of all, you note down this design,
Yes.
then this definitions, then design,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you note down the coding. First of all, note down this, then I switch that. Hurry up.